few times, we have to cover both the plant with a glass jar. The criteria is going to be like this. Let's take the first jar is jar A and the second one will be the jar B. So jar A में हमें प्लांट के साथ साथ कोई एक चाइना डिश में कुछ पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड which is KOH इसे रखना है and second में कुछ नहीं करना है. After that we have to keep both of the jar inside the sunlight and after a few times we have to plug leaves from both the plants and perform starch test upon it. Firstly, let's see what is going to happen on the leaf which we have plugged from the jar B. So when we will perform the starch test upon the jar from the leaf which has been taken from jar D, the color is going to be changed into bluish black color, which means photosynthesis has been occurred here. Let's see the reason behind it. When we have covered that glass jar, some of the carbon dioxide gets accumulated inside it. So now all the criteria have been fulfilled here. Like the plant is getting carbon dioxide, also it's getting water, and also the sunlight is there. So photosynthesis will take place and starch will be formed, and if starch will be formed, it is going to be converted into bluish black color. Now let's see what is happening on the leaf which we have plucked from jar B. So the KOH which is potassium hydroxide, it have a property that it absorbs the carbon dioxide. So all the criteria are also there for the jar D also. But due to the lack of carbon dioxide, no sunlight is going to be absorbed by it, and no photosynthesis performed, no starch formation, and this will lead to no color change inside the leaf. And through this we understand that how carbon dioxide is a component for photosynthesis. Now third is the discovery of the oxygen. It is very important to know how the oxygen gets discovered. The scientists who have discovered the oxygen named Priestley. The experiment he performed for getting to know how oxygen is present inside the atmosphere is also called Priestley experiment. Inside this, Priestley took two glass boxes. So for the first glass, उन्होंने एक कैंडल रखा और एक माउस रखा. सेकेंड जार में एक कैंडल, एक प्लांट और माउस तीन चीजें रखी गई. So inside first jar, what happened is the candle gets ignited and the mouse was live. So after a few minutes, the candle exhales the candle give out its carbon dioxide and also the mouse also give out its carbon dioxide. So a particular time came inside the jar is that the concentration of carbon dioxide increased and concentration of oxygen decreased. After this, what happened is the candle also stopped burning as well as the mouse also get died. Now inside the jar B, what happened is both candle, jar and plant keep alive. Because due to the plant, oxygen is managed, also the carbon dioxide is managed. This is how we get